This is called a Jazzy Passport. This is made by Pride Mobility, the largest manufacturer of wheelchair in the United States. Pride Mobility pride themselves on always coming up with new models. This is one of their latest models that came out. They came out with it a few months ago. It's called a Jazzy Passport. This is a portable chair. It's made of lightweight aluminum, very portable. The chair, total weight of the chair is 60 pounds. If you take the battery pack out, it's 53 pounds. So it is manageable. It is a portable chair. It has a lot of great features. This power chair has which you don't hardly ever see this on a portable chair, it has a swing away joystick. So you can swing it away from the front of the arm. You can also bring it inward. Some people like to drive with the joystick inward. So there's a little knob right here, and you can adjust it any way you want, and it can go on the right or it can go on the left. This chair also has a drink cup holder on the end of the arm right here. Very few of these portable chairs have this. It does have 12-inch air tires in the back, 8-inch caster wheels in the front. It does have a limited suspension. Limited means it's not a full suspension chair, because this is not a chair you're going to take in the ditch or in the grass. You do have some suspension here. Okay, you have two motors. You have one for each wheel. So this chair has two motors, double motor driving for each wheel. They're 180 watt motors. They're two brush motors. They're 180 watt motors. If you needed to push this chair around, what you would do, on each motor you have a lever, and it tells you right here, neutral. You would turn the lever. You would turn the lever this way, and now you're in neutral. Do both wheels, and you can push the chair around. Put it back in gear, and you're back locked in gear. So far we've covered the chassis, which is the aluminum chassis, lightweight aluminum, limited suspension, 12-inch tires in the back, air tires, 8-inch solid tires in the front. We're going to turn the chair around and show you the front. This is where it gets really interesting. Fairly large footplate for a portable chair. You've got another bag here. You can take all. It's got a zipper on it. So it's a bag, I don't know if you can tell from there, but it's got a zipper. So you can put all your personal belongings in here into the zipper bag. But the main feature of this chair is the comfort. A lot of these portable chairs have not very comfortable seats because you're not going to be in it very long. But this one is very comfortable. I sat in it and I really loved it. This is a breathable material. Very, very comfortable. The back is also very comfortable, double layered, a breathable material. You've got a little bit of a headrest material here to give you a little bit of support for your back. You've got your safety belt. You've got your arms, which are fold up if you need to. This chair here, we're going to look at the back. You've also got a pouch in the back to carry your charger. This chair does have lithium-ion batteries. There's a battery pack in a 24-volt battery pack. The battery pack is here. If you need to remove the battery pack because you want to fold the chair, what you can do is there's a button here. You pull it up. There's your battery pack. It weighs about 7 pounds. 24-volt lithium-ion batteries, which will give your chair a distance of about 9.6 miles an hour. 9.6 miles. That's actually a long way for such a small battery pack. This is 7 pounds right here. So if you took the battery pack out and you wanted to fold this chair, what you would do, there's two yellow levers right here on the bottom of the chair. You can see them right there, right back here. I'll squeeze them together and I'll push the chair forward all the way down, and I'll bring the chair up and I'll put the foot plate up, and your chair is fully folded. It's folded up all the way up, and right now you've got, if you lifted it up, 53 pounds. So what you could do, what I suggest a lot of my clients is, this is supposed to stay locked. I'm probably not doing it right. There we go. We got it locked. So what I tell my client, what you can do, if you're going to put it in the back of a minivan, your minivan is about this high. Put a blanket over your bumper on your minivan, and you can just about bring it on your bumper with the wheels here. and roll it in without having to lift the whole thing up. You could start and then you could just roll it in. So you could do that. So this is the folding position right here. And right here, it's at 53 pounds. With the battery pack, you would be about 60 pounds or 61 pounds. So if I bring it back down, I hit the two levers right here again, the two levers, squeeze them, bring it back together, it's ready to go again. Oh, no power because we have no battery. So when you put the battery back in, it just slides. You can tell where the grooves are at. It's real easy to put in once you know where the grooves are at. Just find the grooves. Push it in. It locks automatically. Now this is the first time I've done this, so it might take me a few seconds longer. When you do it, it might take you a couple minutes longer, but you saw how simple this was, and I'm very impressed with this chair. I'm not just saying that because I have an account with all the major companies out there, and I have an account with 10 of these companies who make these chairs. But I like Pride. Everything they make is good, and their service is fantastic, and you can get parts for them, and they're always there on the phone to answer any questions you have. So this chair has 5 speeds. Top speed is 3.5 miles an hour will be top speed. So when you charge the chair again, you take your charger, plug it in the bottom of your joystick, and as soon as the light turns green on your charger, you're fully charged. So this chair is about 23.5 inches wide, the total width of the chair. The seat is 17.5 by 18, 17.5 by 18 or 17.5 by 17. This chair is a fantastic chair. It's about 40 inches in the total length of the chair. So if you're looking for a nice portable portable chair made by a top-notch company, this Pride Passport right here would be a really, really nice one to have if you need something for light usage, malls, in the house, take someone to the mall or to the restaurant, and they can still sit in this chair at the restaurant and pull this up and go right under the table, because the seat is only from the ground to the top of the floor is only 17.5 inches, so that makes a big difference. I'm sorry, it's 19.5, 20 inches, so it gives you a low entrance under a table also. Most seats are 22. This is 2 inches lower than a standard seat. So so even when you're sitting on it, you're going to lose about 1 inch. You'll be at 19 inches. You can get under all kinds of tables with this chair. And it's ready to go. Three and a half miles an hour. Very easy chair to drive. The response of the joystick is not fast. It's perfect. So if you have someone who has a tendency in getting a little shy with the joystick, this joystick responds exactly what it's going to do. It doesn't shift you to the right or to the left too fast. It's perfect. Has a good response. I'm 6 foot tall, 180, and I'm very, very comfortable in it. So I'm assuming someone my height or less, or maybe a little bit more weight. This chair has a 250-pound weight capability, so be aware of that. 250. If you're more than 250, you're going to lose mileage, and you might wear your tires quicker, and you may damage your chair. But 250 or less is a good weight for this chair. And it's a very comfortable seat. I mean, I really like this chair. This is Mark with Mark's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.